Hello guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to my online Swedish classes. Today is our ninth class and we will learn about noun and indefinite definite of noun, that is in svenska obestämd and bestämd form. You must have seen an or at before the singular words. We will know that also. So let's see the noun definition quickly in English and Svenska, which is the same. A word that refers to a person, name, occupation, a place such as Paris, Stockholm, or a thing like table, a quality, honesty, or an activity such as plant, tennis. In Swedish or svenska, ett ord som hänvisar till en person, namn, hierarki, en plats som Paris, Stockholm eller en sak, ett bord, en kvalitet, ärlighet eller en aktivitet som växt, tennis. By this chart, we can see that obestämd form or indefinite form has two types of word, N words or at words. N words like en stool, en book, en lampa, and at words like at bord, at tåg, at syskon. Well, there is no specific rule to know which word is N word and which word is at word. But by learning them and by reading them with N or at, we will know and we will have practice. As I said in the last slide, that there is no such rule to find out whether it is an N word or at word. So when you learn a new word, you must remember to learn whether it is an N word or at word. Most nouns are N words. Almost all nouns relating to the people and animals are N words. I think around 70% of words are N words. Rest of the words are at word. In English, in the indefinite form, we use a or an before the noun because in the indefinite form, we talk about the noun first time and that is generic. But in definite form, we use the word the before the noun which make the noun specific and known to the reader. Now let's see the obestämd form and bestämd form and how to make obestämd form into bestämd form. As we know, in indefinite form there is two type of word, N words and at words. Like N words, en bank will be banken in bestämd form, en penna will be pennen, en cykel will be cykeln, at bibliotek will be biblioteket, at frimärke will be frimärket, at fönster will be fönstret. If you have seen in the last slide that en bank become banken, en is added at the end of the word to make it definite or bestämd form. So there are so many words where en will be added at the end to make them bestämd or definite form. But have you noticed something? That in case of penna, only n is added. So here is the rule. If the n words end up with the vowel, example, and penna, then only n will be added to make it definite form, and it will become pennan. Similarly with the at, in case of the words which are not ended with the vowel, et will be added, but the words which are ended with the vowels, only t will be added to make them definite form. Example, at free market will become free market. There is another rule. If n words that end in with el and er, then only n will be added in the last of that word to make it into definite and bestämd form. Encycle will be cykeln and winter will be vintern. There are many words, but I have taken few for the example. In case of eth words that end in el, er and en, then these last two alphabets of the word interchange the place like in the below examples, and t will be added after that to make them into definite or bestämd form. For example, at example will be exemplet, at fonster will become fonstret, at tecken will be teknet. So we need to remember the rule and practice with the lots of words. Thank you guys. Enough for the day. Stay tuned for the further videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey though!